Just unboxed it. Looks like it didn't get damaged at all. I'll have to take it all out though. Oh shoot. The black tips. Try this on tomorrow. Alright, got this all unboxed. Super happy with it. The seller did a good job wrapping up. The box got a little damaged just due to obviously UPS, but not the seller's fault at all. Went along with the Corsa Sport exhaust that I'll be putting on here. And I have some American Racing headers catted with the X-pipe going on this guy. Got these because the black tip to go with my Victory Red C6Z that you guys are aware of. But before I do that tomorrow, which is the plan, I'm going to go ahead and get a brake flush on this for an upcoming track date. Going to be running some RBF 650 like I normally do. And I got to get these Nankang swapped over on, which will be quick. And then last but not least, I might install the rear CT5V Blackwing brake ducts. And I have currently the front ones. I know you guys seen that video. Just haven't installed all the rear ones yet. Gonna have to do some trimming, it sounds like. And I know they sell a different dust shield that makes it so you don't have to do any trimming. Yeah, stay tuned, more to come. Excited to see what this sounds like. My long tubes are getting Cerakoted here locally in Auburn, Washington. Those should be done Tuesday or Wednesday. I went with Porsche Grey, so super excited to see this all come together. Some minor things I need to order to get the long tubes on, like O2 sensors, and I think I need to get an O2 extension harness. Other than that, I have everything ready to go. A couple days ago, you saw us do the LED side markers from Taillights, and then the brake light right there as well. Today, I'm going to be putting on a Corsa Sport exhaust with black tips. Bought it used off Marketplace. Pretty excited, got a good really price on it, like $12.50. That'd cover shipping, so I think all out was like $13.80 for the exhaust. So really excited about that. Gonna get a cold start here on the last time on the stock MPP exhaust and go for a quick drive just so you can hear a comparison. I'm gonna be putting the axle back on first, and then my Corsa will be paired up to an ARH long tube headers that are catted with the X-pipe. And so you'll hear a comparison on that as well once I get those back. Should be done tomorrow, I'm thinking. But I just wanted to do one last video of it the way it is and go from there. Pulling her in. All right, got everything all situated outside in a safe spot. Gonna get this jacked up, step one. And we're gonna start bolting some stuff and loosening some stuff. First step is once it's all jacked up and safely secure, you're gonna wanna go ahead and release or loosen the 215s on the axle back part right here. And mine are welded. I'm not sure if that's stock. I'm assuming it is from factory. So I can't take those off until I later do the X-pipe and the long tubes up there. But those are off. Next, after that, try to give you an angle. On the exhaust itself, there are two 13s holding in the actual muffler, and then we're gonna have to drop the lower sway bar. I'll show you that here in a second. Once the lower sway bar is off, then we can go ahead and release this. So these are 18s, and what I was talking about is this right up here. That's a 13. Got the H-pipe removed. Got the rear lower sway bar off. And then, I guess just the sway bar. The bands back there are loosened. Took me a little longer than I wanted to. Was having some issues getting stuff loose and stuff like that. So, Gonna drop the H pipe. All right, guys, quick update. Got the axle back exhaust out. I've routed the new piping for the Corsa Sports. I have reconnected the H pipe back up there. I just need to connect it here to the hanger and then start connecting these. And then I can go ahead and start getting these new muffler tips rebolted up. And then from what I hear, the hardest part is just getting these even. But hopefully this won't take too long, as the other part took a lot longer. I had to call it a day yesterday. It's getting late, and I just struggled with getting this out on my own. So thankfully I had my girlfriend help me just guide to get it out on the passenger side was the harder part. The driver's side I got out, just wiggling on my own. Got the axle pipes all lined up. I just got to rotate them a little bit to make sure they fit. About to get those put in place. Everything else is tightened up. Should be hopefully not too bad here. All right, guys. Finally got them on. It's just those 13 millimeters. The brackets that they go on. Those are a pain in the butt to screw in. I feel like it's pretty even. I might tweak the right side and tilt it up a little bit. Alright guys, just got this all installed. Happy with it. I just turned it on a second ago. You guys saw that. No leaks. All in all, super happy with it. Definitely louder. Next is the long tube headers by American Racing with an X pipe. Those are getting, like I said, Cerakoted. My X pipe's over here. I'm just waiting for the O2 extensions. And I already have my Vararam cold air intake. But this should definitely wake things up. You guys saw previously the LED video and the TMod shifter and me redoing the seat. More to come. And then the third brake light. Going to be updating these lights here. And I have to, like I said, get that put in with the decal I ordered. Change the badge front and rear. And then I also have the plastic piece that I'm missing on the inlet. But all in all, super happy with it. Black tips. More to come. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.